crowd cheers loudly as each day bursts into life. The air is filled with excitement, voices echoing all around while students and guests move with energy and purpose. Every corner is alive with action, from preparation to breathtaking showcases. It's fast, it's vibrant, and it's unforgettable. A true showcase of passion and excellent emotions.
Live here at the Cordoba Sports Complex. And guys, the energy super recharged. And this place is packed with future hospitality leaders. Look around. Team building activities, games, laughter, and that competitive but classy vibe. Hindi lang ito basta event. This is an experience.
Hi, my name is Trixie Arsalon. I'm BA 1A. So my experience in this event is it was so amazing. Dagan kag ma-learn and also dagan kag ma-experience of
One word to describe this event, ma'am.
it was amazing event.
So I am here with one of the HM students. So sir, how's your experience today, sir?
Lingaw siya, pero grabe kakapoy eh. More
And one word to describe this event, sir.
magic
Nga naman, sir.
kay grabe kay coordination ng mga departments bitaw nga kuan good teamwork dito.
As we wrap up another amazing day, remember, the future of hospitality is in good hands. HM Days at Cordoba Sports Complex, where champions are made one game at a time. This is Urban Earl Amodja, now signing off.